I need to replace the capacitor in my Hampton Bay ceiling fan model #EF200D. Where can I get the part?
How can I help with your electrical question? Have you talked to an electrician about this?
Yes. The part needs to be replaced.
How long has this been going on? What have you tried so far?
The part needs to be replaced. The light works but the fan doesn't.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The part is CBB61.
Hello. Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be assisting you. Please note that you may see an offer for a phone consultation, for an additional fee. This offer is automatically generated by the website, and does not originate from me. You can ignore it, unless you would like a phone consultation. If you don't mind standing by, I will post a link here for a supplier that you can purchase the new capacitor from. https://ceilingfans.com/capacitors_ceiling_fans.html. That is the website for Gulf Coast Fans, which is a parts supplier located in Texas. I have referred hundreds of customers to them over the years, and have bought parts from them myself a couple of times. Great folks to deal with, and very knowledgeable. They will be able to sell you an exact replacement for your capacitor. Please stand by for their phone numbers. 1- or 1-.
Okay. I'll give them a try. Thanks. Oops, I see that it is already late there. I'll have to call tomorrow.
I'm not sure what their hours of operation are, but you will enjoy doing business with them. I always have.
Okay, thanks.
You are most welcome. Is there anything else I can do for you at this time?
No, I'm good for now. Thanks.
Happy to help. If you are all set, please consider selecting a rating for my service before logging off. I appreciate the opportunity to help. Have a blessed evening, and stay well.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.